Students, now we will see some word problems related to the both addition and subtraction, that is the mixed bag. So the question is, in a factory there are 1785 workers. Okay, so this is the total number of workers given कि फैक्ट्री में इतने टोटल वर्कर्स हैं. 957 वर्कर्स कम्स इन द फर्स्ट शिफ्ट. तो फर्स्ट शिफ्ट में कितने वर्कर्स आए? 957. 496 वर्कर्स केम इन द सेकेंड शिफ्ट एंड द रेस्ट कम इन द थर्ड शिफ्ट. तो सेकेंड शिफ्ट में वर्कर्स आए 496 और बाकी के बचे हुए किस में से बचे हुए? इसमें से. ओके, these are the total workers. So remaining workers came in the third shift. How many workers come in the third shift? So the question is asked about the workers that came in the third shift. So what you will do? Okay, you can see total is given over here and workers in first shift and second shift is given. So you know that if you want to remove the rest workers, so you have to subtract, but you have whether you have to subtract this from this or this from this. So what we will do, we will use both operation over here, addition and subtraction. These are the workers who came in both the shift, so we will add both of these numbers to get a number, a single number. Then whatever the result we will get, we will subtract it from the total workers. Okay, so first we will add and then we will subtract. So we will write the given information over here. Total workers in the factory were 1785. Okay, always there will be a total number of things given in the question. हमेशा टोटल दिया होगा. ओके, उसी टोटल में से आपको दूसरे नंबर्स को ऐड करके उसके रिजल्ट को उस टोटल में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल. ओके, नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स इन फर्स्ट शिफ्ट इतने, नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स इन सेकेंड शिफ्ट व 496. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स इन बोथ शिफ्ट. ओके, सो you will find the total number of workers in both shift because we have to add to get a single number. 957 plus 496. So when we will add, we will get 1453. So here we are doing the addition. Okay, here we are doing the addition. Now we have to find out the rest workers who came in the third shift. So how we will find out? We will find out by subtracting the workers in both shift by the total number of workers. तो जितने भी फैक्ट्री में वर्कर्स होंगे उनमें से अगर हम जो दोनों शिफ्ट में वर्कर्स आए उसे सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, then we will come to know how many workers came in the third shift. So let us subtract over here. Okay, you will write it like this, then you will subtract. Now 5 minus 3 is what? 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, 8 minus 5 is what? 8 minus 5 is 3. 7 minus 4 is what? 7 minus 4 is also 3 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is the number of workers who came in third shift. Now our ending statement will be thus 332 workers came in third shift. So in this way you can solve the word problems where both addition is done and subtraction is done. So these are the problems related to the mixed bag. Let us see another word problem, that is subtract the sum of 2516 and 4472 from the sum of 2906 and 5265. So in this question clearly it is given कि we have to add both these numbers first and these numbers first. Then whatever the result we will get, we will subtract the sum of these numbers from the sum of these numbers. So it is easy. Sum means हमें add करना है. तो पहले हम इन numbers को add करेंगे. We will get 6988 and sum of these numbers are 8171. Now according to question we have to subtract 6988 from 8171. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, बिगर नंबर में से ही स्मॉलर नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाता है. सो दीज स्टेटमेंट यू हैव टू राइट. नाउ स्टार्ट सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 11. Okay, we will borrow from here. This will become 6 and 11 minus 8 is 3. Yes. Now 6 minus 8 we can't subtract, so we will borrow from here, so this will become 0 and this will become 16. 16 minus 8 is 8 itself. Okay, now 0 minus 9 we will have to again borrow, so this will become 7 and this will become 10. Okay, leave enough space so that you can borrow and write the carry over there. 10 minus 9 is how much? 1. Yes, and 7 minus 6 is 1. So after subtracting the number, what we have got, this is our answer. Okay, so write it like this, answer. So in this way you can solve the word problem. Now question number 9 is, what must be added to the sum of 5672 and 2892 to get 9267? So it is most similar to these questions. So first we will write given and we will have to add the numbers because sum of the numbers is given, so we will add and we will get this as a result, and we have to find out a number which we can add in this number to get 9267. अगर हमें वो नंबर पता लगाना है कि वो कौन सा नंबर होगा जो इस नंबर में ऐड होके हमें 9267 देगा, तो हमें इस नंबर को माइनस करना पड़ेगा. वी हैव स्टडीड हाउ ओके फाइंड द मिसिंग एडेंड, हमने स्टडी किया है. सो इन द सेम मैनर वी विल find out over here. So we will subtract this smaller number from the bigger number. Okay, and we will get that our required number, that is 703. So 703 must be added to get 9267. Now these word problems you will do on your own, some will be for homework.